Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on addition and subtraction using ones and twos complement. We have already learned ones and twos complement representation of a number. Now in this lecture, we would see how these representations are helpful. They can be used to perform binary subtraction. So let us get started. The contents that we would discuss are binary addition, binary subtraction using ones complement, binary subtraction using twos complement. Before going further, I would like to tell you one important concept. If you have a binary number as given 10101101, the first bit is known as the least significant bit and the last bit is known as the most significant bit. So the next topic is binary addition. I have discussed the binary arithmetic rule in the previous lecture. Let us look at it again. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0 and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 1. Let us solve a simple example. So 1 plus 1 is 1 0, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 1 0. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is double 1. So this is the answer that we get after adding the two binary numbers. And so the next topic that we would discuss is binary subtraction methods. It can basically be done by two types. One is by using ones complement and the other one is by using twos complement. So let us have a look at it. So the first topic is subtraction using ones complement. We have two cases. We'll discuss the first one when we have a carry bit. The first step would be to check whether the number of bits in the first and second number are same. So let us count. The number of bits in the first number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the number of bits in the second number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to make it a 6-bit number, we will add a 0 to it. So now both of them are 6 bits number. For subtraction, we will use the basic concepts of binary arithmetic. That is 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. The next step would be that we'll add this number and we will calculate the ones complement of the number which has a negative sign. So as this number has a negative sign, we'll calculate the ones complement. This 0 would become 1, this 1 would become 0, this 0 would become 1, this 1 would become 0, this 1 would become 0, and this 0 would become 1. And now we have to add the numbers. When you add 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. You can see that there is an extra bit which is generated and this is the carry bit. If you are subtracting using ones complement and you get a carry, the next step would be that you have to add this carry bit to the least significant bit. I repeat, you have to add the carry bit to the least significant bit. So 1 plus 1 would be 1 0, 1 plus 0 would be 1, and the other numbers would be written as it is because there are zeros here. You can even cross check it. The number were 60 minus 22 and that is equal to 38. So our final answer is 100,110. Now we move on to the second case, which and when we are subtracting using ones complement. So the initial steps are same. We will check whether the number of bits in the first and second number are same. The number of bits in the second number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the number of bits in the first number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll add a 0 so that the number of bits in both the numbers are equal. Now we have to calculate the ones complement of the number which has a negative sign. So we'll calculate the ones complement of this number and we will add it to it. We have written this number as it is and we have calculated the ones complement. That means 1 is replaced by 0. So 1 would be 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 would be 1 1 1. And then we have to add these numbers. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 0 plus 0 is 0. One important thing to note here is that we don't have an extra bit like the previous case. So what you have to do is that you have to calculate the ones complement as there is no carry bit generated. And one more important point is you have to first add a negative sign and then you have to calculate the ones complement. So one complement would be 0 is replaced by 1 and the other ones would be replaced by zeros. So this was 24 minus 56 and the answer is minus 32. Now we move to the next topic, which is subtraction using 2's complement. And there are two cases. We'll discuss the first one when we have a carry bit. The first step would be to check the number of bits in the first and second number. When we check it, there are 6 bits in the first number, 5 bits in the second, so we'll make them equal and we'll add a 0 to it. Unlike the previous case, we were calculating the ones complement. Here we'll calculate the 2's complement of the number which has a negative sign. So ones complement of this number is this 0 with 1, this one with 0, this one with 0, this one would be replaced by 0 and this 0 would be replaced by 1. So ones complement is 101, 001. To calculate the second complement, we have to add a 1 to the least significant bit. So 1 plus 1 is 10 and the answer that you would get is 101, 010. So we add this number and we add the 2's complement of this number. So when we add, we get 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 10, 1 plus 1 is 10, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. So you can notice here that we have extra carry bit that is being generated. So when you have an extra carry bit and when you are doing a subtraction using 2's complement, you have to discard the carry. So when you discard this carry, you get the answer 100110. You can even cross check it. The numbers were 60 minus 22 and the answer is the number 38. Let us move to the next topic, which is subtraction using 2's complement and when we do not have a carry bit. The first step would be to count the number of bits in the second number and the first number and they should be equal. So second number has 6 bits and the first number has 5 bits. To make it a 6-bit number, we'll add a 0 to it. Now we'll calculate the 2's complement of this number. So 1's complement of this number would be 0, 1 would be replaced by 0, 1 would be replaced by 0 and all these zeros would be replaced by 1. And now you have to add 1 to the 1's complement. 1 plus 1 is 10 and when you add all this up you will get 001 000. So when you will add, you will get 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 10, 1 plus 1 is 10 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So here you can notice that there is no carry bit that is being generated. So the next step would be put a minus sign and write the answer. You can even cross check it. The numbers were 24 minus 56 and the answer is minus 32. I would request you to practice some problems and verify that you get the same answer using ones and twos complement. So this brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.